Who do you want to be your ex?
I'm not picky.
No, 1, 2, 3, and you go. No. On the 3 you go.
Wait. Why am I not allowed to be the ex either?
Everyone stop. I want to be the ex.
Ooh, beautiful day today. Check that out. It's Michael. You met Michael last time. Today we are out filming on the Gold Coast. Got to go meet up with my brother. We're supposed to be there like now. Check this out though. We got a new driveway. Well, not a new driveway. We just got it sealed. Looking good. Just about to head to my brother's place now. We're running about half an hour late, which is pretty much the standard for every time I go around there. If I say 9:30, I usually rock up at 10. If I say 9, I'll be there at 9:30. If I'm running late, he just goes to the coffee shop without me and we end up meeting there. So chances are he won't even be home. Well, Bozo over here left his phone on charge.
Yeah, well, prove it.
Prove it.
But I'm actually really, from the deepest part of my heart, I'm really sorry.
Yeah,
See the boats,
now's the
Josh?
lighting.
Wow.
Oh, that's great. It's a wide lens. Yeah, I can't see a thing. Today we're trying to attempt to film a bit of a skit sort of video. Apparently I need practice with with video stuff.
So you can become my full-time filmer without pay. Today we're filming when she's one of the boys.
We've actually decided on that?
Yeah. I think we should go with
Are you one of the boys today?
Apparently, yeah.
Just do your thing, Paige. Wing it.
Yep.
And she comes through the door.
I'll be like,
And then, because obviously you'll go with me and you're like,
We're like,
what is she?
yeah, why did you do this again? Why did you invite her?
And you're like,
or maybe one of you know, and then the other one's like, what's she doing here? You're like,
yeah.
Or when one of the boys is dating your ex, and they're like, yeah, bring my girl back.
That could be fucking
That's
hilarious.
actually,
And then
that's a good one. Yeah.
cheers, Josh.
who do you want to be your ex?
I'm not picky.
No, 1, 2, 3, and you go. No. On the 3 you go.
Wait, why don't I get? Why am I not allowed to be the ex either?
Everyone stop. I want to be the ex.
One of us has to do the full-time kissing.
Thumbnails.
I don't
So there's no real script, as you've seen. We just made up
Who's
that
the
idea
ex? I'm
then.
happy to be the ex.
I actually came up with that one, so we're going to film that.
Don't worry about my idea, guys.
My idea. It was actually my idea.
Let's make another video when the boys steal your ideas and claim it as their own.
That's a good one. We'll shoot that next.
I'm actually going to talk about the skit now, but we can do stuff like, so we'll cut across.
Talking about your one now?
And I'll be like hella depressed, like, oh, we used to actually do that. Like, just hell.
Because I reckon when she comes in, like, you're just happy because it's sweet, but you're like, what the fuck? And I'm like, hang on, what's going on? And you're like, you can even arc up like, what the fuck are you doing? Well, don't say the F word, but yeah, what are you doing here? And then while he's saying that, you're coming over, give him a hug, and then it's like, what? And then play it from there.
We'll just wing it a bit with speech, yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Let's we'll start. Who did we decide was the ex?
I'll try the X, we can move it through.
All right, scissors, paper, rock for the ex. Go rock and Fallon, scissors. All right, mix the X. We're gonna film this thing now. You can watch the end product in. Who's posting this?
We're over here.
Oh yeah.
We're over here.
All right. See the description below for the end product of what we're about to do. I don't even know what we're doing yet.
Mate, you're feeling confident. I really hope this skit turns out well.
How'd we go with that?
Mate, I'm just cut about my burritos. They didn't arrive because we were filming the skit. Now I'm going off at Deliveroo. My order didn't arrive. It says 20 minutes ago. No knock on the door, anything. I am furious.
Are you actually? Yeah, you're fuming.
I'm fucking furious.
I've got to say, the best actor of that was definitely you.
I don't know how I don't know how I managed to get the retarded actor.
You were meant to be normal, but you started playing the retarded one. What?
Alright, so Mick's just bought a drone yesterday. Is this your first time flying it?
Yeah, pretty much.
And he's getting all cocky already, thinking he's really good at flying this drone. So he hasn't even flown it yet. This is going to be his first time
Short of it is,
flying it.
I wanted to have a race with a drone because I'm going to win.
He's probably going to crash this thing, but we're going to do a bit of a time trial.
This location here, around the corner to the right, to where Shammi and Fallon live.
So, Fallon, are you?
I'm just here to watch you guys.
Are you around? Are you around that corner or just this first corner?
That one there. No. These houses here are our street.
You're so going to crash this. I'm flying the drone.
Yourself, eh?
You didn't need it for in future, did you?
Nah. Oh, I love pissing away $1,500 at a time.
Yeah, let's do it.
Can I watch you how you set it up?
Nah.
Yeah, how do I do that? How do I take it off slow?
Matt, you're the one telling the story. What are you even on? Oh, you're in photo mode.
Yeah, I was taking photos.
You're on good there.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's what
I'm sort of doubting your abilities now. Oh, you're still on the ground, Josh. Here we go.
Drone racing to your house, take a photo and come back. Button to drone footage now.
The Matrix footage.
Do you not have a memory card in the drone?
Nope.
It doesn't just save to the phone, you got nothing. Alright guys, well that didn't really go to plan, but...
Because I won.
No, because, well, you just didn't know what you were doing. How many times did you run into a tree?
Man, look, you can keep bringing up shit from the past, it's irrelevant. But the truth is I won, so deal with it, man.
You guys be the judge.